Sometimes when we play audio or video files on our Android phone, it won't be giving much volume, and we would listen a very less volumetric videos or audio files on our Android phone. In those cases, if you want to fix those issues, how do you do that? I'm going to show it to you one or two solutions for that. Most probably, this happens because all these apps are affected with some kind of virus, or it has been stuck somewhere, which can be set right by just uh, restarting your mobile. Go to your power button and try to restart the mobile once. It would solve your problem automatically. Upon restarting, all that volume will come up as it is to the normal position, and you would be able to hear the maximum volume from that audio or video files. Let's the restart happens. I'm going to show it you the second one. Once the phone is restarted, automatically the volumes will be set to the original position, and you'd be able to hear the maximum volume from those audio or video files. If it is still not happening, the maximum reason would be only one thing, which you can go to the settings straight away, get into settings here, and after going to settings, go to sound option in your menu. Just go and tap on this sound. Upon tapping this sound, you'll observe all these things are set to the lowest thing possible, and if you want your audio files or video files to be played for the maximum volume, your media volume should be to the topmost position. If you observe this is in the lowest most possible position, just scroll down this slider to the uppermost. Now onwards, upon setting this to the maximum, you'll be getting maximum volume. This you can do it the other way also. If you don't want to get into settings and increase the volume for your audio and video files, you can straight away go to your volume up button and do like this. So upon doing this, slider automatically will increase the volume, and you would be able to get your audio file or video file straight away to the maximum possible volume. That's so simple, right? These three tricks would definitely help you in getting your maximum volume possible on your Android phone. A thumbs up, like it, share the video, subscribe the channel, like it, and share it, and we'll come back to you with some more excited content. See you. Bye.